The OVENTE electric sandwich maker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that will revolutionize the way you make sandwiches. With its advanced features and sleek design, this sandwich maker is a must-have for anyone who enjoys a tasty and convenient meal. One of the standout features of this sandwich maker is its thermostat control. This allows you to easily adjust the temperature to suit your preferred level of toasting. Whether you like your sandwiches lightly toasted or perfectly crispy, this feature ensures that every sandwich is cooked to perfection. Another notable feature of the OVENTE electric sandwich maker is its cool touch handle. This handle stays cool to the touch even during the cooking process, offering utmost safety and preventing any accidental burns. You can confidently handle the appliance without worrying about getting hurt. The indicator lights on the sandwich maker make it easy to monitor the cooking process. These lights indicate when the appliance.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.